The outcry from the Rastafarian community is now being bolstered with protest action following allegations that a woman's locks were cut by a police officer in Clarendon. There has been outcry across the country, but in St. James, Rastas from Coral Gardens marched on the Civic Centre in Samshab Square, Montego Bay, demanding a response from the government. They say it's not just talk anymore. They want action. Rastas from the Coral Gardens Benevolent Society in St. James on Thursday converged on the Montego Bay Civic Centre, demanding answers from the government about 19-year-old Rasta Nzinga Candice King's locks being cut while in police custody. The police high command says they have started investigations.
We are still looking because we are hoping that this lady will lose her job. And when she loses her job, she should apologize.
This is an outright violation of her constitutional rights. And as such, we are here to continue the protest. And we're calling on the Prime Minister, we're calling on the Minister of Justice, we're calling on the National Security Minister. We want to hear their voice because silence is consent.
The Clarendon teen says her hair was cut at the Four Paths police station on July 22. The issue came to public attention the following week after she and her mother posted a video on social media accusing the cops and demanding answers. The Rastas protesting in St. James say despite an apology for the Coral Gardens massacre in 1963, atrocities against them continue and more tangible action is needed.
In them time, them think we talk about independence and emancipation. This should be a no-no, especially in a government institution.
The government should set up a policy that to protect the locks, protect the Rastafarians. That's when something like this happens. You have the public defender that defend us. And that just investigate, but also prosecute. This is what we really need. Because it don't make sense to keep on happening all the while. This is an outdated thing, man.
The St. James gathering is the first in a series of protests. Plans are in place for gatherings in Clarendon and in Halfway Tree St. Andrew in coming days.